America. He paid me money for my character to get added in the game. Okay, anyways, you know what that means? 1, 2, we don't need you. And you guys. What? Wait, where's Orange?
Oh, he died.
How?
The color gray gave him a heart attack and he died.
No, I'm here. Okay, we got a tiebreaker. So... I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 4,286,883. How are we supposed to know that?
621,829.
Correct!
Yes.
Now you are out Orange. How? How's the elimination gonna go anyway? We got a new type of one. We got a new red winner. Hey, the Valvassa was cool. Yeah, but I got something new to show you. Just be sure real quick. God damn it. What is this? I don't know. Wait. No. Anyways, we're splitting this episode into 2 parts. What's the 2 parts anyways? So, here's how it goes. Yeah! I take 2, and he takes the other. I take 4, and he takes the rest. Corn Melon.
Me. I take Quince and USA.
Yeah! Saturn!
Uh-huh.
Oh, and Captain Prescott.
Yeah. Guess I'll take Deathbot and guess I'll take Item Smith and Deathbot.
Yeah! So, anyways, goodbye! Oh, wait, so now we got you 4 here. Yay! Your turn is to survive the helicopter blade. Now go! Get on, Hulu. Wait for me! Wait!
We're going on a trip in our favorite helicopter ship, zooming through the sky. Little corn melon stones, get ready to explore. There's so much different. Little corn melon stones.
Alright! There's 3 sections now? Anyways, you are died first, so you're up for elimination in episode 3. Next episode!
Is that... You mean episode 3B?
No, episode 4, you imbecile! You stupid fucking imbecile! Anyways, back over to the downwards! Whee!
Ha!